Good day everyone, my name is Pritibay Atas. Today, I will discuss to you what is the benefits or what is the benefit of the curriculum quality or audit or decay. So, first of all, here we are talking about the advantage of benefits kung bakit mahalaga ang curriculum quality with audit or CQA. So, next slide. So first is the benefits of the first benefit is that first is identify gaps under and over reflections of the curriculum based on standard. So this one is the first benefit, which is identify gaps. Meaning to is natutulungan sa Q or CQA na makita kung unsa ang kulang, which is the gap, and unsa ang sobra, which is the over. And ang gitudlo sa mga subjects or unsa ang mga gitudlo sa subject or unsa nga subjects ang gitudloan. Which is, for example, if ang subject na science, which is our major, is sobra na kayo ang pagtudlo sa mga lesson, which is sobra na ang pagtudlo sa usa ka lesson, which is the biology, pero halos walay mga physics, walay physics, walay chemistry. So that is imbalance, which is dapat if magtudlo ka, which is balance. We have an example, which is napaka-example, which is the English subject. Pag ang English subject or English subject is puro reading, wala siya kanang like puro reading, walay writing, walay writing or walay speaking, which is the puro speaking. So imbalance sub sila, which is mean equalize at meaning is dapat equalize at maayos ang mga content para all of areas covered or covering. So specific point of CQA is balance or pantay-pantay, which is kompleto ang mga lessons nga imong itudlo, which is nagtudlo ka og sa science. Kung nagtudlo ka biology, dapat na siya chemistry, physics, and environmental science. If nagtudlo ka English, which is naapod kay dapat na dito ang reading, writing, or the speaking, which is the improve to speaking. So that is the first benefit. So we're going to the second benefit, which is the second benefit is ensure alignment of learning outcomes, activities, and assessment to the standard. So this one is the CQA. Make sure na align ang learning, which is outcome, activities, and assessment or standards or sa standard. For example, kung ang goal nimo sa mathematics, which is the mathematics subject, kung ang goal sa isa ka mathematics subject, which is the word problem, dapat ang lesson sub or ang lesson of test kay tungkol sab doon or tungkol sa mathematics para hindi para dili siya like na topic para ang mga bata or mga student nga imong gitudon ang subject is makuha nila ang sakto, which is the equal, makuha nila ang saktong which is the equal learning of opportunities, which is dapat kung unsa ang standard or unsa imong gitudlo maupod ang goal or kung unsa ang standard maupod ang goal, yun sab ang dapat mga na imong angay buhaton. Next is the third benefits. So the third benefits is the achieves an internationally comparable curriculum as the standard become the basic or the curriculum analysis. So this one is the third. So naka-base sa standard ang naging balance sa ibang bansa, which is the curriculum, which is the CQA or the CQA help our curriculum to be internationally comparable, which is the student in the Philippines can comply or complete the globally. For example, if na student na gusto or if na student na galing dito sa Pilipinas, which is dito siya nag-school or dito siya nag-eskwela, tapos gusto siya mo transfer or gusto siya mo balhin og another country, which gusto siya mo transfer in sa laing country, which is basta country gusto siya mo balhin. So gusto mo balhin sa another country or abroad. So dili siya maglisod og adapt, di siya maglisod og balhin or transfer because halos pareha ang competency level dito. Like that, kung gusto day kang balhin og abroad is example, gusto ka mabalhin o transfer, so dili ka maglisod kay pareha ra sila og competency, which is the level of the standard or pareha sila og curriculum. Yes. tama naman ta sa mga benefits, which is the 3 benefits. So, we're going to the next slide, or we're continuing to the next slide. So, next slide is the PPST, which is the Philippines Professional Standard for Teacher, can be used as a ECHOR in curriculum quality audit or quality. So, the Philippines has adopted and implemented the PPST through the Department Education ordered by DO, which is the PI 42 as 2017 rather. So this one is the Philippines Professional Standard for Teacher which is the PPST, can be used as a core and curriculum or what is a core? I think basta namali ko, please search na lang and akong pronunciation, which is the ECHOR, I think, or whatever. So, in curriculum quality audit. So, first of all, I credit, which is the PPTS ay parang guidebook or guidebook para sa mga teacher at curriculum. Ito ay official of adopted in the DepEd under the DEPED, which is the DepEd order number, which is the 42S 2017. Kaya all teacher o school ay pwedeng sumunod dito para para sigurado mataas ang mga quality ng mga teachers. So, sa simple point, which is the simple way, is the PPT or the PPST, the PPST standard na sinusunod ng mga teacher para siguradong effective ang kanilang pagtuturo. So, ang PPST ang ginagamit sa teacher para effective ang ilang pagtudlo, which is naka step by step. So naka step by step. So modo na ang ginagamit ang PPST, which is modo na siya ordered, which is the DepEd under the DepEd, which is DEPED. Yes, the order number in 42S 2017. So next is slide. So the next slide is the first CQA in teacher education curriculum in the Philippines was initiated by the Research Center for the Teacher Quality, which is the Center Quality, which is the Research Center for Teacher Quality is the RCTQ. So the Philippines Normal University, Civil Normal University, Visayas University, Western Mindanao State University, and other member of University of National Network of Normal. So, this one, ang una daw ang CQA sa Pilipinas ay simula sa Research Center of Teacher Quality, which is CQTC, ay RCTQ. So, modo ni ang una or ang mga research center sa teacher quality. So, kasama nila ang ilang mga big university. Kasama daw ang mga big university, which is I said kanina is the Philippines Normal University, Civil Normal University, West Visayas University, Western Mindanao State University, and others. So the meaning of the Philippines are the the Philippines ay this one is the mga university. So ibig sabihin, seryoso talaga ang Pilipinas, seryoso talaga ang Pilipinas sa mga pinapatupad nila na quality curriculum, lalo na sa pag-train sa mga future teacher. That serious kayo ang kanang kay para ang mag-train para nice ang pag-train sa mga future teachers. So that's it